Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate the color palettes for your projects directly from a reference image. Yes, if you have a reference image, you can directly extract the color palettes from the same. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have and you have to search for palettegenerator.com. You can see the right spelling here. Once you do with it, just simply hit enter and a website will open right in front of you which will ask you to upload a sample image. For example, if I upload a sample image and once it gets uploaded, the website will automatically generate the color palettes from the that will be extracted from the same image. Now you can see the color palettes from the same image have been generated in front of you. Now you can just simply copy the effects, the palettes, and use it on the projects you have to use. You can see the multiple hex value for the same has been also generated, so you can use it anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.